We're back? Oh, we're back. Oh, the Imagination Station. And Chief Scientist Carl Nelson is here with us today. You guys are in Toledo?
We are. We're a science center down in Toledo, Ohio. And today I thought we'd talk about some chemistry of acid-base indicators.
Listen, I should mention that you have been somewhat of a true mad scientist in the last 5 minutes. And then last minute, he said it's critical for me to wear this lab coat, so here it is.
Exactly. Acid-base indicators are just compounds that change color when they're in the presence of an acid or a base. Now, myself, as a kid, I played with things called disappearing ink.
Okay.
Have you seen this stuff? It's kind of cool. Go ahead and lower your hands for a second.
Yeah.
So disappearing ink is one of those gags that kids use, adults use, and over time, this blue color is going to disappear. I guarantee it.
You get it on my tie, Buster.
It'll be okay. Well,
yes.
You know, in fact, if you're really going to have fun with disappearing ink,
yeah,
you'd really want to kind of load you up with it. Okay, so we're going to give you lots of ink, and in fact, you're going to want to pop on a pair of safety glasses here. I don't want to hit you in the face. Okay. Now, acid-base indicators, again, change color. It starts out as blue, but there's carbon dioxide in the air.
Okay.
And that carbon dioxide is going to form carbonic acid and make this blue color disappear. Problem is, it's going to take about 10 minutes.
Okay.
We don't have 10 minutes. Luckily for you, I brought with me a source of concentrated carbon dioxide gas.
Okay.
And so if you can just stand there for a second. How's that feel?
It feels cold.
It's cold, but check this out though. We're getting a little dry ice buildup, but a lot of that blue color is disappearing. The carbonic acid is changing it from a blue to a clear color.
Yeah.
Okay?
You know, the dry cleaning people come right to the house. Pick it right up in the morning. No fire extinguisher.
Now, okay, so for kids at home, adults at home, you can do something similar, but you know, that disappearing ink only changes from blue to clear.
Okay.
If you want to have more fun, what you really want...
If you light me on fire, I'm out.
No.
Okay.
Get over here. We're going to try something here. Cabbage, okay? Red cabbage. Go ahead and grab some of that red cabbage and throw it in the blender. Just a good handful.
Good handful of red cabbage.
Red cabbage has an acid-base indicator in it that will change colors over almost like a rainbow of colors.
Okay.
So give that a little blast.
Right.
Give it a pulse with the blue button. If you want to make up an indicator solution at home, that's good. Okay. You can blend up some cabbage or you can boil it, extract the liquid. Now I've done that ahead of time and I've got some cabbage juice over here.
Okay.
And I thought we'd try out a couple different compounds and see how this stuff reacts.
Okay.
So lemon, go ahead and take that.
Okay.
Go ahead and squirt the lemon in, say, this glass right here. Give it a good squeeze with the juice. And we can even give it a little twist. And give it a little bit more.
A little more.
Yeah, a little bit more. So we started out with a nice sort of purpley color. Okay. Now we're heading into the red range.
Gotcha.
Okay. Now, something that's really popular with kids is this really sour pucker.
Oh, my daughter has it at home. Yes.
Has a lot of citric acid in it. So in fact, if you want, you know what we can do? We can amp this up by just taking the squirter off. Why don't you go ahead and pour the liquid into this container. All right. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Okay.
Too much?
A little bit too much, but that's okay. That's okay.
Well, you said to pour it in.
No, that's all right. That's fine. That's what science is about, is experimenting and trying things. Now, I think the green color kind of overwhelmed ours there.
Okay.
Normally, I would keep this as our control, so we know that we've changed colors here.
Right.
But why don't you give a tiny dash in there?
Just a little.
A little dash.
Okay.
Yeah. And we'll swish it up. Maybe a little bit longer dash.
I just can't get anything right
there. It's perfect.
There you go.
There we go. All right, look at that.
All right.
So, still acidic. Now, eggs. We're going to have you drop the egg right in this last one. Just crush that thing and drop it right in.
Oh, you don't want me to... You want the shell too?
No, separate. No, gee, I leave the shell out. We just want the innards inside there.
There you go.
Eggs are a little alkaline. And so now, instead of having that reddish color, which indicates acids, we're getting more of an alkaline color with a little bit of a blue.
Okay.
Washing soda, on the other hand, sort of like lye. It is extremely alkaline, extremely basic, and now you're getting that greenish color.
Okay.
So the idea here is you can take red cabbage, extract the juice, you can test various things around the house, probably with an adult lab assistant to help you out, and you can experiment with acid-base chemistry.
This is great, and it's not dangerous.
Nope, totally safe. And
I mean, I don't know if mom and dad want their kids to use fire extinguishers on there.
That was just for you.
Okay, just checking.
But no, yeah, totally safe. Have fun. If you need to chop up the cabbage, you can boil it, you can strain it to whatever.
Okay.
Test different things. Cool chemistry stuff that we do at the Science Center in Toledo.
That's great. All right, so just so people know, you guys are open?
We're open Monday through, we're closed on Mondays, but we're open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 5, and Sundays, noon to 5.
All right, we'll get those details up at myfoxdetroit.com.